How do dynamic array functions simplify Excel error handling? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle with missing pieces or misplaced parts. That's what error handling in Excel formulas can feel like sometimes. But what if there was a way to make spotting and fixing errors much easier? That's where dynamic array functions come into play. They change how Excel manages multiple results and errors, making everything clearer and simpler. In older versions of Excel, working with arrays meant using complicated formulas that needed special keystrokes like Control plus Shift plus Enter. These formulas were tricky and often led to errors that were hard to understand. Dynamic array functions, introduced in recent Excel versions, automatically spill results into neighboring cells without needing those tricky keystrokes. This spill behavior makes it easier to see where results are supposed to go and quickly spot errors. One of the biggest improvements is how Excel shows errors. If a formula can't output all its results because something blocks the spill range, Excel shows a spill error. This error clearly indicates the problem. It's because the output is blocked. Instead of guessing what went wrong, you can click on the error and see exactly which cells are stopping the spill. This makes troubleshooting much faster. Dynamic arrays also resize automatically when your data changes. If you add or remove data, the results adjust on their own. This reduces errors caused by fixed ranges or outdated references. You don't have to manually update formulas or worry about missing data. Functions like filter, unique, sort, and sequence work seamlessly with dynamic arrays, returning multiple results without complex nested formulas. This simplicity helps prevent errors that happen when formulas are too complicated or when ranges don't match. Handling multiple results used to be a headache in Excel. You'd often get errors or overlapping data if your formulas returned more than one value. Dynamic array functions handle this naturally, spreading results across cells without causing overlaps or errors. This makes building formulas that return lists or multiple outputs much more reliable. Converting older array formulas to dynamic arrays also makes error management easier. You no longer need to remember special entry methods or worry about hidden errors. The behavior is clear and consistent, helping you spot issues at a glance. In practical use, combining functions like filter with error handling functions such as iferer or icerer makes your spreadsheets more robust. When a spill error occurs, you can quickly identify and clear obstructions. Using dynamic arrays in tables is straightforward, but keep in mind that tables don't support spill behavior directly, so converting to ranges might be necessary. Also, ensuring your lookup data has consistent data types helps avoid errors when using functions like XLOOKUP with multiple criteria. Overall, dynamic array functions make error handling in Excel more transparent and manageable. They reduce the need for complicated error trapping formulas and help you build spreadsheets that are easier to troubleshoot and maintain. This makes mastering Excel's advanced techniques much more accessible and less frustrating.